Alright guys, welcome to my videos. It's David here. Well, today I want us to look at subdomains. We are just gonna look at what are subdomains and how to use them. Anyway, without wasting any time, let's just check them out. Okay, as you can see here, I'm on our hosting packages, right? Hosting packages for Innertech. And one of these packages, for example, the average says it has one subdomain. Okay, so what is a subdomain? So to better explain this, let's look at Facebook, for example. So facebook.com, this is their domain. Okay, so when I click facebook.com, this website shows up. Okay, that's the domain. And now what's a subdomain? So if I were to go to something like Facebook has a lot of these, just like other big companies out there. For example, if I say developers.facebook.com, this is a subdomain. Okay, this is a subdomain, it belongs to Facebook. So let's go to it. Check this out. Okay, well, when I visit this developers.facebook.com, it has a total different website. As you saw, let's just open Facebook on this. You see these are two different websites. Okay, let's go ahead and look at other in fact, let me leave this one. Let's open another one. Yeah, for example, business.facebook.com. again, this is another website, a total different website from these two. Okay, so this is my normal Facebook page, and this it's a website for developers, right? As you can see, it's a very different website. And this one, it's a website for business people who are actually running ads and everything on Facebook, right? So the list goes on. Let's look at others. Like free mode. For free mode, it's free.facebook.com. So this is another website. As you can see, these two are not the same, right? This one is for it's if you have data, and this one it's a free mode version of it. Okay, and so even let's go to Google, for example. Google, the search engine, google.com, this is a domain, right? And what it has this website, this search engine website. That's what Google is, right? Nothing fancy. So let's open the subdomains of Google. So something like this .com, what's happening? This will be the subdomain of Google. As you can see, is developers.facebook. .google. You see. So this is where us as developers, programmers, if we want to use APIs and all those kind of stuffs, Google APIs, will come to this site, right? Just like on Facebook. So what I want you to see, just take a note that the last part here, it determines the domain, right? So this is the domain, google.com, and that part, it's my subdomain. So what we mean by this package is when we say, when you have these, if you have this hosting package, it means you can create another website just like these companies, right? Another different website, totally different, and host it under a subdomain. Well, and see, this is a subdomain. It's not a domain name, it's a subdomain. It's a subdomain, right? So a subdomain will always end with an extension of its original domain.